Salut à tous! Hi everyone! Welcome to our French class on EFM. Easy French with Marcel. Alright, so today we're going to learn the plural form of nouns in French. So the plural form is all about the quantity or the number of an object represented by a noun. So the quantity or the number of an object is used in two different forms. So we have the singular form and the plural form. Alright, so the singular form is used for one or single object, and the plural form is used for more than one or many objects. Alright, so here the plural form in English is made by adding s to the singular form to get the plural form. Example, a boy, some boys. A girl, some girls. A book, some books. A chair, some chairs. A pineapple, some pineapples. A flag, some flags. Alright, so you notice here we added s to the singular form to get the plural form, except nouns ending with y. Example, a study, some studies. A butterfly, some butterflies. Alright, now let's learn how to make the plural form in French. So, in general, most of the nouns in French take s in the plural form with many categories and their exceptions. Now let's go with some examples with nouns taking s in the plural form. We have un lapin, des lapins, un lit, des lits, une robe, des robes, une pomme, des pommes, un étudiant, des étudiants, un ami, des amis, un pilote, des pilotes, une heure, des heures, un hôtel, des hôtels. Alright, so here we add s to the singular form to get the plural form. Now let's learn the first category, which is nouns ending with al or AIL with their exceptions. So the nouns ending with AL or AIL make the plural form by replacing AL and AIL to AUX that give the sound O in French. Examples, we have un journal, des journaux, un animal, des animaux, un cheval, des chevaux, un hôpital, des hôpitaux, un vitral, des vitraux, un canal, des canaux, un mâle, des mots, un bail, des baux, un corail, des coraux, un émail, des émaux, un soupirail, des soupiraux, un travail, des travaux. Alright, so here we replaced AL, AIL to AUX that give the sound O in the plural form. Alright, now let's learn the exceptions. We have un bal, des balles, un festival, des festivals, un chacal, des chacals, un récital, des récitals, un bétail, des bétails, un détail, des détails, un portail, des portails, un éventail, des éventails, un rail, des rails. Alright, so here these nouns take S in the plural form and not AUX. Alright, now let's learn the second category, which is about the nouns ending with EU, AU, EAU. So to make the plural form of nouns ending with EU, AU, and EAU, in French we add only X to the singular form to get the plural form. Examples, we have un feu, des feux, un lieu, des lieux, un neveu, des neveux, un chapeau, des chapeaux, un drapeau, des drapeaux, un manteau, des manteaux, un flambeau, des flambeaux, une eau, des eaux, un seau, des seaux, une peau, des peaux. Alright, so here you notice we add X to the singular form to get the plural form. Now let's learn the exceptions. We have un pneu, des pneus, un bleu, des bleus. Alright, so here the exceptions take S in the plural form and not X. Alright, now let's learn the third category, which is about the nouns ending with S, X, and Z. So the plural form of nouns ending with S, X, and Z in the singular form remain with no change in the plural form. Examples, we have un pays, des pays, un avis, des avis, un mois, des mois, un bois, des bois, un os, des os, un choix, des choix, une noix, des noix, une voix, des voix, une toux, des toux, un nez, des nez. Alright, so you notice here the singular form of these nouns remain with no change in the plural form. Alright, so here you notice that the plural form in French take S, X, or Z. So if nouns ends with S, X, or Z in the singular form, we do not add S or X or Z in the plural form. So notice here that nouns taking S, AUX, X in the plural form are nouns frequently used in French. and the exceptions are not frequently used in French. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the lesson and now you know how to make the plural form in French. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and leave your comment for more interesting videos. À bientôt!